Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build dunning sequences that save failed payments in Chargebee. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to build effective dunning sequences in Chargebee that save failed payments, you must simply configure automated payment retries and personalize customer email notification within the platform's dunning settings. So first of all, you need to enable dunning in the Chargebee. You need to simply get logged into your Chargebee site, navigate to the settings, and configure your Chargebee. Now, you need to tap on dunning for offline payments, select the specific payment method, and click activate dunning. After this, you need to configure automated retries. You need to know about custom frequency mode, smart dunning, and to configure these settings, in the dunning setting for your chosen payment, you need to select your desired automatic retry mode. So after this, you can also customize email notification and define final action. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.